Stampers, welcome back to my studio today. I always love having you stop by for some craftiness, and today we are going to do a card that is saving paper like crazy because you all know how much I love to save paper. And it's just a fast card. I would say this is under 10 minutes. So this is one of my under 10 minute or less cards. I'm also going to be using some of the Nuvo drops. I love the copper color. These are the crystal drops, and this is called Copper Penny. You can get this in my affiliate code, and Simon Says, along with the rest of the stuff that I have here. This right here is from Spellbinders, and again, you can get it on my Simon Says affiliate code. Now, if you're somebody who has really taken a liking to some of my vignettes, this stamp set coordinates with this, or this, not stamp set, but this die coordinates with this vignette very nicely. So for those of you that have this, this vignette and that happy birthday die to go along with that vignette, this is another one that you're really going to want. It's just beautiful inside here. It works really well. It has the individualized numbers. I love that. Let me show you another card that I did with this. This is one that I actually did personalize, and I just put the 36 on there. So you can take and you can cut out a bunch of numbers ahead of time, which is what I like to do, and then just put them in a bag. And I'm trying to find oh, here they are right here. And then what I do is I just put them in the bag. Okay, so I can't find it. But anyway, you do put them in the bag and then you have them on the fly. So this one just happens to be 36. I added some crystal drops to this, and it made it nice and glassy and just absolutely adorable. So I'll show you how to do that card afterwards in another video. But for today, this is the one we're going to do. And again, we are going to save so much paper. That's what I want to show you today, is how you can save. All right. So the first thing I did was I got myself a base card of 11 by 4 1/4 and just fold it in half. And let's use our bone folder to crease the end of it here. All right. So here's the card base. Nothing we're going to do special with this one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the black piece, and I've already done this for you. All right. I'm going to take, and I used to cut out, let me just show you. These are the adorable scallop circles. These are called open scallop circle or edge circles, and it has the edge that has the little pretty perforations in there. So I did the second to the last and the smallest ones, and I ran them through my machine. So let's look at it and show you how I did it. I did it all at one time. All right, so we're going to just add that paper. I don't know why I did this ahead of time. And I just cut this one out, and I cut this one out at the same time, and then ran it through my Vagabond. And this right here gets me the pieces that I need, and it gets me my first layer. All right, we're never going to see this piece right here, so that's going to be my first layer. All right, the next thing we're going to do is to take and just poke these little guys out. Alrighty, so now we have our back pieces right here. So we're just going to set those aside. We're going to take our dies and put them back onto, I use the magnetic sheets. Let me just show you. I get them from my affiliate code. It is from Stamp and Storage. I get the 5x7 magnet cards. They're already done. What's nice about them is they're already attached to a piece of cardboard, so it's very sturdy. I love these. I absolutely love these. I have an affiliate code for those. Click on the bottom below and you can get yours. All right. So that was this piece right here. That's going to go onto my base card, which is right here. All right. We're just going to take and set those aside for now. And the next thing that we have to do is to do our happy birthday. So I'm going to take my happy birthday here and run that through my Vagabond. So let's grab, now the Vagabond right here with the happy birthday, with the happy birthday, we're just going to do that right there in the middle. Doesn't have to be any special way. I'm not going to use the circle because I don't want to cut out the inside, but to save paper even more, I'm going to add my heart right there. And I'm actually going to add it a little bit up farther because I'm going to use this for another heart because I'm missing one of my hearts. All right, so I'm just going to take and bring you over here to my Vagabond and run this through my machine. The reason I love this, well, many reasons, but I never have to lift up that platform. All right, so this is my happy birthday right here. Now I'm going to use my brush, which is what I should have done over here. it would have taken out, instead of having to poke, it brushes out most of everything that you need brushed out. You see how fast that was? I am going to run this through again though, because I want another heart, because I'm missing one of my hearts here. All right, and just run this through my Vagabond again one more time to get a second heart. Alrighty, let's bring it back over here. And there's my second heart. All right, so we need that piece right there. So now we have all of these crazy little pieces, but look at how much we saved as far as paper goes. All of this stuff goes right back on here so I don't lose anything. That's why I love these magnets. Stamp and Storage, I have an affiliate code. Click the link below and you will get there. All right. All right, now let's just put it all together. That's how fast this is. I'm going to take it, I'm going to stamp my words on the bottom here first, because if I make a mistake, I can turn it around and we're good to go. So let me just grab my words and let you know that they came from this Fun Stampers Journey stamp called Inside and Out. Most of you already have this already, so I'm not showing you anything new, but it's a great little stamp set. So I'm going to take my black licorice ink and just stamp the words on the bottom, right side up, of course. There we go. All right, now we can just absolutely put this together. A 10-minute or less card. I love it. All right. So let's just start putting our layers together. Let me get out. Oh, I almost threw that one away again. I keep losing that heart. Crazy little me. All right. So let's just bring in our uber big. All right. That's our first layer. All right, then our second layer. It doesn't matter that these have holes in them. Remember that, okay? This is quite the machine, isn't it? That little, well, it's not little. There we go. Alrighty, yep, opens from the bottom. Good, good. All right, now this is going to go on flat. Go. That's going to cover up that hole. Do you see how we're doing this? Isn't that so cool? Now, what I did for this one was I did pop it. So I'm going to use some of my little mini foam squares here. Okay. And just kind of put them around wherever. I could have used big ones because those little hearts are going to get closed up, but I probably should have, because then I wouldn't have used so many. You know how frugal I am here. All right, so now we're going to put the happy birthday on here. Remember, this goes with that vignette. So, so pretty. So I'm going to put the happy up on top. Again, another hole is closing up. And see how beautiful that fits inside that scallop. Oh, so pretty. All right, so let's take this one. And we're just going to use some of my Mega tape runner here. And add that. Now I'm going to take my heart, which I keep losing, and I am going to take, I think I'll grab one of our little journey dots right here. Okay, add that to the back end of it. And that goes right here in the middle. But wait, we're not done yet. Don't you go away yet. Okay, so look at how fast that was. Look at how fast that was. See, I even cut these extra. If I'm getting stuff out, I'm definitely going to take and add them all. All right, so now what we need to do is to add one more little gizmo in the middle, and that is our Nuvo drops. These are the crystal drops, and I'm going to add this copper one right to the middle of this. And what's nice about these drops, you just set it down, and look at how cute it is. What's nice about these drops is that if you're used to using candy dots or any of those little dots, you run out of them. But with these, it just keeps on going, and you can have any size that you want. You can add, re-add. I just absolutely love these. And, you know, they come in, oh, so many colors, but they're just so pretty. They're just so pretty. So this one happens to be the copper, which I love, absolutely love. And it goes very nicely with this colored paper. So that is my post for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. And if you have any questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Remember to shop my affiliate codes down below. There's also a little eye up here in the upper right-hand corner, and that gives you all the information too. Just click on that. It drops down, and it'll take you right to my blog. So you take care. Have a great day, and thank you once again for stopping by.